In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a business Facebook page from your profile or Meta Business Suite. If you're setting up a presence for your business on Facebook, this is a simple process. And in this walkthrough, we'll go through it directly inside Meta Business Suite. This method is useful if you want your page connected to your business tools from the beginning, making it easier to manage permissions, assets, and future marketing activity all in one place. To get started, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Meta keeps the main controls for your business account, including users, assets, and page management options. Once you're in Settings, click on Pages. This section shows the Facebook pages that are already connected to your business account, and it's also where you can add a new one. Next, click on Add. This opens the options for bringing a page into your business account. Since we're creating a brand new page rather than claiming an existing one, choose Create a New Facebook Page. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the basic information for the page. First, type in your page name. Make sure this is the name you want people to see publicly, and ideally, it should match your business name or brand identity, so it's easy for customers to recognize. After that, choose a category. The category helps Facebook understand about what kind of business or organization your page represents. Try to pick the option that most closely matches what you do, since this can help with discoverability and make your page more accurate. Then type in your bio. This is your short business description, so keep it clear and concise. A good bio quickly explains who you are, what you offer, or who you help. Even though it's brief, it gives visitors an immediate sense of what your page is about. Once those details are filled in, click Next to continue. On the next screen, you'll need to agree to the Meta terms. Click on the Meta Terms Agreement option to confirm and move forward. This is a standard part of the setup process, so just review it if needed and accept it to proceed. Finally, click Create Page. At this point, Meta will generate your new business Facebook page using the information you entered. And that's it. Your page is now created inside Meta Business Suite. From here, you can continue building it out later with branding, contact details, and content, but the core setup is complete.